Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now friends. In this video is a very special for all of you. A lot of people message me personally that what's the change goes in this time in a holochain, and as you can see here the change occur in the holochain at this time as a negative. As you can see here, that is why a lot of people confuse that what should they do at this time, as it a best time to buy, sell or hold holochain. So finally I decided to make a video for my viewers, for my subscriber, that what is the best decision for all of you at this time friends. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so kindly make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel and also like this video. Thank you so much for subscribing ABS Tech channel. If you look the price of the holochain at this time, so the price of the holochain is about 0.014867 USD dollar is the current price of holochain at this time friends. If we look the change occur in a holochain in the last 1 hour change is negative, last 1 day change is negative, last 7 day change is also negative. I don't know why they are negative, but let's see what's the best time to sell, buy or hold. What's the next change, what's the next move coming in a holochain, let's see in this video. The market rank of the holochain is about 51 is a market rank of the holochain at this time in a market please. Now friends, as you can see here on the screen, that is the last 1 hour change occur in a holochain, and the last 1 hour change is about negative 2.87%, and the high price is about 0.015273 USD dollar is a high price of holochain friends. As you can see here, continuously fast occur in a holochain friends, so we can't say about the fast. Now let's see the technical analysis of the holochain. What's the change goes in a holochain according to the technical analysis. For a technical analysis, we have to look the last 1 day price prediction. As you can see here, the last 1 day price change is on the screen friends. As you can see here, for example, let's suppose that is a support line. As you can see here, that is a support level of the holochain, let's suppose, and that is the highest point of the holochain is the resistance level of the holochain at this time frame. Now if we look the current situation of the holochain, so as you can see here, they are continuously fast down, fast down, fast down, fast down, fast down, and after that they take a small jump, and after again fast down, take a small jump, and again fast down friends. And now they should have to take a jump, but unfortunately I think that they are not move upward at this time friends. They are more and more fast down. Within hour by hour they continuously fast down friends. So I think there is a 70% chances to they falls down, and 30% chances to they again started jumping upward friends. But a lot of people confuse that what should they do at this time. As you can see here, the chain is very badly goes in a holder chain. So my suggestion for all of you, if you are a holder, so please hold your holy chain coin with the last of this month, because in the last of this month after a great funds there is a jump. This is a common phenomena of every cryptocurrencies. After a great jump there is a jump. After a great funds there is a jump. So please wait for a big jump of the holy chain. If you are a holder, so please hold it. It's the best time for all of you that please hold it this time friends. What's your opinion about holochain? Please share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates.